My name is Joseph Lerman, and I teach the Operating Systems course here at the university. Operating systems is a really fascinating area in computer science. It delves into a lot of knowledge which is very deep about what's going on inside your computer system. The first thing we talk about is processes and threads. Every program runs inside of a process, and these processes can create threads which have multiple things running at the same time. So a process can have many threads which can give you concurrent execution, allowing for speed up. We also talk about InterProcess communication, where one process communicates with another process. And this can be tricky. You can program this so that results are not correct, but with the use of certain mechanisms and primitives like semaphores and monitors, barriers, and message passing, it can be done in a correct way. And we go over that in the course. Another interesting thing we talk about is deadlock. Deadlock is where there are two or more processes, each having some resources, and they're each waiting for a resource that another process has in that set. They actually wait forever because they can't get what they need because other processes are holding that. So the operating system has to detect deadlock and then do something about it. Usually what it does is it kills one of the processes, thereby the resources are released for that process, and then other processes can now run because of these released resources. Another area we talk about is multiple processor systems, where there's more than one CPU on a physical machine. And this, of course, is true with all machines you buy now. They're either dual core or quad core. And because we have these extra CPUs, an application can have threads that run in parallel and thereby speeding things up. This can be a multiprocessor, which is on one physical machine, or it can be distributed across many machines, either in one room, multi-computer. You can have hundreds of PCs, for example, in one room, all working together, or they can be in different countries across the internet, and they can work together as a real distributed system. We also talk about virtualization, where you have more than one operating system running on one machine. You can have more than one. So on the same physical machine, you can have Mac OS X running and Windows System 7 and Windows XP and Linux. And this is very, very helpful for developers because they can develop their application for different platforms, different operating systems, and do that on one physical machine. During the course, we also have some very nice labs. One of the labs involves building a command interpreter, which is very nice. And we have other labs which deal with semaphores and monitors. Of course, Java has a semaphore class, which allows you to use a semaphore, and Java also has monitors. So the knowledge in this course is very useful in the marketplace and is quite practical for the real world. Thank you.